Well, let me share with you how to get 4,000 hours quickly, and I just reached my 4,000 hours, and I wanted to share with you guys that how can you reach like 4,000 hours in a short time. Well, the thing is that the short time could be relative based on everybody. Like as you can see on my dashboard that in last 28 days over here I have this 1,400 subscribers and watch hours 2.6k. Well, now if we go to my channel over here, so let's go ahead to my channel. It's a bit slow. Now let's look at the data for the last 90 days. Okay, now here's the data for my last 90 days. I got over 80,000 views in last 90 days, and watch time is 4,000 hours. Okay, yeah, and subscribers 2.4k, where I have totally just 2,700, over 700 subscribers. But now just in last 98 days I have 2.4k and watch hours 4k. And see, you see the graph over here that how my watch hours increased over the day and over the time, right? So how did I do it? Definitely, now if we have to look at our content. Now if you look at the content over here, as you can see, some of these videos, they really did very good. Well, of course it's relative, but in terms of my own videos, like if you see some of the earlier videos, they were barely doing good. Some of them they hit 1,000 or 2,000 views and a few likes over here, as you can see. And like few earlier videos, they did really good. All right, and after that, like these two videos, they really did good. But after that, the videos, they were not doing good. They're just doing very average, I would say that. But my last 4 videos, I would say excellent in terms of the time given over here, as you can see. And all of the videos that hit 14,000 views and over 463 likes. Now it did good, and this is the video that I want to share with you, that how much it helped me. Okay, so now go ahead and take a look at the analytics of this video. Like one video alone got me over 1,000 hours, and this is what did the trick. And as you can see, I published in 2021 in August 28th. Okay, and it got me over around 400 subscribers, right? And over 1,000 watch hours, as you can see that over here. Okay, so this is the video that I want to share with you and how I did that. Definitely, now this video really did very good, right? But now it did very good because of my earlier experiences, the way I was doing videos. As you can see that from here, these videos are all pretty long, right? But if you see some of the earlier videos, they're pretty short. So I was kind of doing more experiment that what kind of videos the users like, and what they want from me. So even six minutes video, as you can see, very short videos. Okay, so earlier I was doing, right before that I was also doing actually long videos, as you can see from here. Okay, so I was doing more like experiment that what kind of videos my viewers like. Okay, and as I was doing videos on technical terms, so I had to learn a lot of technical things. So a lot of my videos are about programming, how to build softwares or app like that. So as you can see from here, it's all about experiment. Okay, I was doing different kind of experiment, and they were giving me different results. So I was watching the feedback very carefully. So eventually from this video on, actually I decided to do videos a bit differently, and I wanted to cover a lot of the thing in one video. So that's why these videos are over 1 hour long. This is over 2 hours long, 2 hours long, over 2 hours long. So I wanted to do a complete video, okay, so on certain topic in my field, and that's why it took me a long time, these videos. Okay, and as you can see, the videos, between the videos there is also long hours. So I was spending a lot of time to prepare the content, recording them, understanding them. And once again, these are all coding videos. Okay, so I was spending a lot of time for videos content itself at the beginning. Before I took this video, it took me like over 30 hours on average for these videos, you can imagine. So it's a lot of time to prepare and work on this kind of videos. So I was doing that, and eventually it paid off. So if you're new in YouTube and you don't have a lot of watch hours, I would say try different things. And that's the problem with new YouTubers, like they don't try different ways of doing things. Okay, they just stick to the old thing. So don't do that, never do that. Try different ways of doing things and different kind of thumbnail as well. As you see, my thumbnails are very different, okay, in terms of color and how I put them. Okay, so your thumbnail should be catchy. Like I personally like this thumbnail very much. It's colorful, and as well as it tells people that what they would learn from the basic look, from the first look. Okay, of course, definitely it's about programming. So any kind of people they want to learn programming, when they look at this thing, they know that this is a long video and pretty much I'm going to cover a lot of things. And also your keyword research is very important, so you should do it like I did with vidIQ. And your as well as your description, okay, and the timeline. All right, those things are pretty important. And look at this one, this thumbnail, it has the highest views. And look at this thumbnail, this thumbnail is amazing in my side. Okay, I worked long hours to create and find this kind of thumbnails. Well, I kind of found it and then I edited it on my own. So this thumbnail is amazing for in our field, I would say, not in your field. Okay, so it talks a lot. So this picture talks a lot. So simple message and the picture itself, it did the trick. And as well as your keyword research and introduction. Okay, so and description, those are the few things that you need to take care. All right, and also your, I would say, keyword tags, these things are pretty important, so you should follow them as well and work on them and research. So keyword researching and preparing content is the most important thing, as well as your thumbnail number one, and then your keyword and the content. If your thumbnail is good, people would click on them, okay, and they'll try to view. And then once they view it, if the content is solid and useful, definitely they will keep watching and they will share it. Maybe my video, this one, has been shared by other viewers, and that's how I got this huge view within short period of time. Okay, and it got a lot of watching hours. Okay, and at the same time, because viewers like to watch this thing, so if you come over here, you see the impressions. It's a high amount of impressions. Again, it's for me because I'm a small channel. Okay, for bigger channels, it's nothing, I would say. But for me, I'm pretty happy. Okay, so once your thumbnail is good and your content is solid, definitely YouTube recommends the videos. Okay, so it's keep recommending. All right, as you can see from here. So try to create a good thumbnail and solid content. Definitely you should be good to go. All right, okay, so I'll see you in next video. Bye.